Step 4. I think Princess is ready to go. Okay, step 4 is a little bit of a smaller step, really. So let me get us to where we need to be here. Okay. Exactly where we left off the last time, really. Three corners. Let's get my edges. One of them. Edge, edge. Alright, so here are my edges. This is my working corner. This is my working kitty corner. This is step 4. Step 4 is going to be solving these two pieces and having a 2/3 complete Rubik's Cube. First thing I need to do is find my green, orange, and white corner. I'm going to solve that corner exactly like every other corner. That is the same, but we do it now. We couldn't do it before because we needed that corner to solve these edges. So there are 1 of 3 ways the corner could be. I have white on top, so I'm going to do that 180 degrees back down, bring that piece over, solve it. You should be pretty good at that by now. The last piece is this edge. This, you don't have a working corner to solve it. Orange and green, it belongs right there. We mess it up if we do it like that. We have no working corner to work it with. Normally we'd move it to its opposite and move the working corner. Well, we don't have that, so we kind of have to shift the cube in a way to where we can get these two pieces together and get them in the corner. So I'm actually going to kind of try to trick the Rubik's Cube, into really thinking it's doing the right thing. I'm gonna fake it out. So this time I'm going to move the piece that I want there. I'm actually going to move it away from it. And I'll maybe talk about it a little bit more detail the second time through. So you move it away. If I move it to the right, then I'm going to bring this left side up. Okay? Then I'm going to bring this piece back over to where it belongs. I'm going to bring the left side back down. I have a messed up corner now. But if you were to look, I now have this corner piece lined up with its edge, kind of in a chunk. I took that out and put these together as a chunk. And now I'm going to solve it like a corner. So this piece is on the left, which means I move the top away. I bring the right piece up. When I bring the top back, it comes back in that chunk and then is solved. So basically it's the same move. You just have to do a little bit extra to group them before you can do that. So let's mess it up and go through that one more time. It's a pretty small step, but it kind of unifies that whole bottom where it needs to be. You want to try? No. So let's go through this. Where's my red? edges. That edge out. Got my slick thing, all but one edge. Solve my corner first. Got it. Find my piece. It's right here. So I'm trying to trick this into getting this piece in here. I need it right here. So if I move it out of the way, it's back here now. It's back here. It's back here. I want it here. Then if I slide this left part up, I want this piece here. This piece here. Or I want this piece here. See, let's go back. This could be my corner. I might want this here. Slide it up. Roll the top over. Let's go back. Turn it away. Left side 90 degrees counterclockwise. Top 90 degrees clockwise. Then the front 90 degrees clockwise. Have my chunk. It belongs here. It's on the left side. Do the left side, move it away. Move the right up. Slide that chunk in. Got it? Let me show you a different way it could be. I'm going to undo it kind of out of the camera. That way. So, okay. So, I want to actually solve it. Got my working corner. This piece is on the left, so I'm going to move it away. I'm going to solve that corner. But if you notice, orange and blue, it's on this side now. Okay, so let's just take a quick look, one final look at this fourth step, but the other way that the edge could be. So I'm still going to move it away. Not going to move it towards its opposite color. I'm going to move it away. But because I moved it to the left, I'm actually going to bring the right side up. Bring that piece back to here so it matches. Bring the right side back down. Now I have my chunk over here, and I solve my corner a little bit different than I would do a regular corner. Because I need this whole chunk. I can't just do this. I lose my piece up there. So I'm going to turn this whole top away. Move it away. Bring this left side up. Then just slide this whole chunk into place. And bring it back down. So really there are two ways that edge could be at the end. But when you get that done, you have 2/3 of it done. And then we can start working on getting yellow plus and just doing things like that. Step 4.